Salamat din sa mga organizer natin. Kaso, unfortunately po hindi siya nakarating kasi may hindi maganda nangyari sa family. Si Kuya Mike Piña, siya po yung major organizer natin. Kaso, last Sunday po siya last week ata yun. Naglola niya pinukalan ni Lord. Kaya umuwi sa bigla. Baka bukas pa rin sa nakarating kasi yung ticket niya konti kaya hindi siya makakarating ngayon. Pagpasensya niya lang daw. So ayun lang po, kung ibigay ng mga rin ng flow ay... Ayoko pa! Wala ko pang hindi ko na. Ayun na! Adel! Doon ka sa lapan, doon ka sa lapan. Talaga naman, pinapwesto pa. Bale, 8 bats po.
Silang William po lang.
Pwede niya ka.
Thank you.
Sino pa? Nagsaano talaga sa mga papeles, open for operations and open for public investment. Dito makikita natin yung research of merit. Marami tayo, so possible na mag-simpleng structure. So I'll go over first with the slides and then kung may tanong sa karatan ng question and answer. So the statement of okay, this business plan comes to exist when to answer Father Alphonse, which he challenged us to become in his words, my children, you are not created to be partner of that one thing in the mud, but to be like eagles destined to rise above. So, dito, gusto natin sagutin yung call ni Father Alphonse. Marami siguro sa atin na experience na by our own means, nag-succeed na tayo sa ating professional way, but as a group, makita siguro natin na once mag-gather tayo, mag-form natin ang corporation, mabuto. Okay. Statement of purpose. The main purpose of venturing into various businesses is to help alleviate the poverty level by creating more jobs and providing an income-generating investment opportunities specifically to all SNS alumni who are from poor families all over the Philippines, Korea, Mexico, Guatemala, Brazil, who receive scholarship grant from our dear alma mater. Being one of the recipients of God's graces that are showered to us in the person of our very dear founder, the servant of God, Monsignor John Philip Aloysius Ward, and with all the help from the sisters, all the benefactors, we want to show to them an act of gratitude by heeding the Father Alphonse. My children, you are not created to be paddled down, waddling in the mud, but to be like eagles, destined to rise above. So we need this goal by aiming to create an income-generating business for us to continue and support Father Alphonse's charitable work to the less fortunate children of the world. Yeah. Medyo na-tense ako eh. First time ko mag-present na. Ha? Actually, hindi ako sanay mag-present sa karamihan ng tao ko. Kung mabasa yung presentation, ang aim and objective ito para sa ating lahat. So, pagpasinhan yung presentation ko, so, i-go over nyo lang siguro after yung presentation or sa download site natin, na-download nyo to, then i-go over nyo yung ipat ko na parito. Company mission, by engaging in a fair, high integrity and very ethical business dealing, it is the company